A farmer and his sons. Once there was an old farmer who lived in a village. He was very honest and hardworking. He had 3 sons. Sadly, they always quarreled with one another. The farmer was very worried. He wanted to see them united. As time passed, the farmer grew old, and when he was about to die, he decided to teach them a lesson. One day he asked them to bring a bundle of sticks. When they did so, he asked them to break it. They tried their best but could not succeed. Then the farmer untied the bundle. He told them to break the sticks one by one. They succeeded in breaking the sticks easily. At this, the farmer said to them, "Union is strength. When the sticks were united in the form of a bundle, you could not break them. When they were separated, you broke them easily." The farmer's son understood the importance of union. They began to live in peace. Moral: Union is strength. United we stand and divided we fall.